And then we could pull the belt off to change it. And look at the direction the arrow's on the belt. Belt goes this way, and get it back in there. And then also one other thing I want to mention, there's an electric eye on either side of the belt. There's part of it. There's the other part of it. So what that eye does is it senses the position of the belt. And if the belt starts to run out too far this way, it will pull on this mechanism here. And we can see the belt in there. So it will actually change the angle between the top and the bottom of the belt, causing the belt to move back this direction. If we push on this, it's going to send the belt that way. If we pull on this, it's going to send the belt that way. So it is set up so the belt gradually wanders over in this direction. Once it hits that electric eye, that sends it back in the other direction. Once it, and it's just, I believe, timed. It'll go this way for a few seconds, and then it'll start running back this direction again. It'll hit the eye, and it'll run back this direction again for a few seconds. It'll reset, begin running this way again, over and over and over. And what that does is it gives you an oscillation on the belt so that you're not using the same exact spot on the belt every time. Here we can see the oiling system, pretty self-explanatory. I give this a couple pumps, every couple days or every few hours of operation.